Nothing to see.
What is up, guys? This weekend's Cleetus and Cars, and we got to get the bald rEagle out of here into Florida. John and Andy have a couple things to tie up. Then it'll go on the trailer and head down. What you doing there, John?
A little fluid action.
A little fluid?
If you remember when me and Herm were getting the bearings out, kind of lit it on fire a little bit back here. Slow, controlled burn.
Slow controlled burn, sure. Let's move those beer cans out of the way.
Nothing to see here.
Stuck accelerator pump?
Yeah. Got a needle stuck.
I'm at it a few times, right?
I did. I tried that. I feel like you take everything out that it's asking for and I'm kind of. We got new axles and bearings put in today. We did some new spark plugs, just checking them out. They were all good. Belt tensioner pulley was all shredded, destroyed, so we put a new tensioner and belts on it. A couple extra belts for Florida. Rear diff was about empty. Got a little warm. Other than that, she seems to be pretty good.
Yeah, they all have some thing with the power.
Shoot, buddy.
Yeah, you can go with him too.
I don't think so,
And to me. Yeah, buddy.
There she goes, boys.